If you've lost access to your TeamCity account and don't have your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the TeamCity login page. Go to the TeamCity login page on your web browser. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or similar to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your TeamCity account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure that the recovery email is sent to the correct address. Step 3. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Open the email and follow the instructions provided. This usually involves clicking a link that will take you to a page where you can set a new password for your account. Step 5. Set a new password. Create a new password that is strong and secure. Make sure to remember it or store it in a password manager for future reference. Once set, you should be able to log into your TeamCity account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to TeamCity support for further assistance.